Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're looking into a powerful tool that can supercharge your email marketing, A/B testing. If you're ready to boost your open rates, clicks, and conversions, stick around. So what exactly is A/B testing? Imagine you're sending out an email campaign and you want to know which version will perform better. A/B testing helps you find that out. You send two different versions of an email to a small part of your audience and see which one gets the best response. It's all about finding out what works best for your subscribers. A/B testing is crucial because it helps you optimize your email campaigns. By testing elements like subject lines, images, or call to action buttons, you can see what gets more engagement. This means more people will open your emails, click on links, and take actions like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Let's break down what you can test. First up, subject lines. Try different lengths, personalize them with names, or even add emojis. Next, test the from name and email address. Sometimes a familiar name can make a big difference. Don't forget the preview text. This is the snippet that appears before someone opens your email. Make it catchy and intriguing. And of course, test your email content and layout. Experiment with text, images, or videos to see what your audience likes best. Calls to action or CTAs are vital. Test different wording, colors, and placements to find out what gets the most clicks. Finally, try different times and days for sending your emails. Discover when your audience is most likely to open them. Ready to set up your A/B test? Start by defining your hypothesis. For example, you might think a new subject line will improve open rates. Next, choose which element to test, one at a time for clear results. Then, select a portion of your list to test, like 10% of your audience. Set a duration for the test and decide what success looks like. Here are some best practices. Test one variable at a time. Use a large enough sample size to ensure accurate results. Allow enough time to gather data before declaring a winner, and analyze key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Many email marketing platforms can automate A/B testing for you. They help set up tests quickly, send the winning version to more people, and provide detailed analytics. This makes optimizing your emails easier and more effective. Remember, A/B testing isn't a one-time thing. Use it continuously to refine your email campaigns, test different types of emails, integrate testing into your strategy, and keep learning from the results. That's a wrap on today's lesson. Start using A/B testing in your email campaigns to see what works best for your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time on Truehost Academy.